So here's my project for today. I'm going to be potting up this tomato from the 1-gallon pot to a 3-gallon pot. So this thing is way overdue to be potted up, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to knock it out of the pot. I usually squeeze the pot while I hold the stem. So this is nicely rooted in here. Not too over rooted, not too many circling roots at the bottom, but we can give it a nice massage. And I'm going to place that here into the 3-gallon pot. I'm going to make sure the stem is right in the middle of the center of the pot. And I already added a couple inches of soil at the bottom, and then I'm just going to fill it up. So I will make sure the soil is loose and use my fingertips to poke it in. I'm going to fill it all the way up to maybe an inch from the top of the pot. I also have some worm castings here. I'll give a little dose of this on the top, or that could have been mixed into the potting soil, because tomatoes are heavy feeder. They like a lot of food. Next, I'm going to add a little fertilizer. I have this Osmocote fertilizer, though I like to use organic fruit and vegetable fertilizer too, but this is just what I have laying around. So I'll sprinkle that around the plant. And then I always try to cover up the fertilizer with a little bit of soil. And lastly, I'm going to top it off with some mulch. I'm going to add a generous amount of mulch around this plant here. Tomatoes, they don't really mind being buried, and they'll root out from the bottom of their stem. So while I got this plant too, I'm just going to go ahead and prune it up a little bit. So see how here's the main stem and then the side leaf, this little leaf coming out of the axil here. I will pinch that out, and I will pinch this little branch out coming out from the axil. The next one up is flowering, but there are 2 stems right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove one of the stems. So I'll take off the stem here to the right. Now the last thing I got to do is water it in. So I always water in right after planting. Always water it in, even if it's about to rain. There you have it, and keep tuned for more gardening videos.